You ask me if I love you, and I talk on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than mislead you with a lie.
And who am I to judge you on what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you.
And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subside. Romance is all its strategy, keep me battling with my fight. But to the insecurity, some tenderness survive.
I'm just another writer, still trapped within my truth. A hesitant prize fighter, still trapped within my youth.
Oh, and sometimes when we touch, the honesty too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subside. At times I'd like to break through and hold you endlessly.
Hold me endlessly.
At times I understand you, and I know how hard you try. What where love commands you, and what love's pass you by.
At times I think we're drifters, still searching for a friend. A brother or a sister, but then the passion flares again.
Oh, and sometimes when we touch, the honesty too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subside. Perfect. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subscribe.
Tapos din. Wala nang gagalaw pag nag-play na ako. Go. Pakba. Ano yun? Magal tayo.
Gang.
Pag tumawa ko, wala na.
Ready?
Tingnan nyo, nakakainis.
Ready? Okay na. Play ko na.
A few moments later.
You ask me if I love you, and
Ayaw, yun naman kasi.
Uy! Kasama sa yun kasi yun.
Reading natin.
Sige.
Ano ba yun?
3 days later.
Ayun na, maambon na.
Many tic-tacs later.
May padating pa isa.
Hindi na ako tawa.
Dapat kasi doon ka medyo sa pinto para merta naman nilang mukha kami tanga kami na kumakanta rito. Walang tao. Di ba? Kaya lalabas-labas ka rin doon. Para alam nila, ay nag-shoot. Nandito ako. Eh, nandito ka sa loob eh. The honesty too much. I have to close my eyes and I wanna hold you till I die. Di ba titigit tayo pag pangalawa na? I wanna hold you to the feel with me. Yes, sir. Hindi na umarte. Buti kasi si Jamil, kayang-kaya. Ako pa nga naiyak kay Jamil, mas magaling pa umarte sa akin.
Next time eh. Mag-comedy lang ako.
Ang ganda na subay. Goodbye!
It was at this moment that he knew.
Jasmine!
Ano na lang ganyan, may matagtugin ka. Naloko na tayo sa pagkakas.
Yun nga sasabayan na.
Ayun yung sasabay natin. Ano, ready na ba?
Pero pa nagtingilan ka sa gano'n.
Ah, gano'n. Sige, sige, sige.
Taga-tawa ako eh.
Kasi tinitig ko may butas ng mukha ko, tumakal ka na. Ganyan.